different shapes and colors. Learn new shapes and colors. Hi kids! Welcome back to the Curious Cub channel. Today, we're going to learn about shapes and colors. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with the circle. Can you say circle? Circle. A circle is round, just like a ball. What color is this circle? Red? Blue? Yellow? And green. Great job! Now, let's learn about the square. Can you say square? Square. A square has 4 equal sides. What colors do you see? Purple? Orange? Pink? And brown. Awesome! Next, we have the triangle. Can you say triangle? Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's see the colors. Red, blue, yellow, and green.